Have you ever been to the point where you've had dusty hair or cornrows? Yeah, this is me today. So I'm going to show you guys how to go from dusty cornrows to a cute glam curly bun, and we're going to fake that 3C hair. But yeah, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to get this cute bun in 10 minutes. So first, starting off, you do need to have cornrow braids. You don't have to have as many as I have. You could have 4, or you could have smaller ones, like probably like 2 or 3 more, so a total of like 6 or 7 of them if you want the curls to be like super tight and curly. But this was just my wig look, you know, underneath my wigs. But do you guys peep how crazy I'm looking? Like, what was wrong with my eyes? I'm looking like, huh? Like, what? So I'm just unraveling them softly, but like not raking the curls out. I want to keep them in place. And also, to make, if your hair is dry, what I would recommend to use is some like olive oil or like coconut oil on the tips of your fingers, and then that will add sheen to your hair. So my hair is kind of thick, as you can see, so I don't have to have extensions for this. Some of you who have shorter hair, you can use extensions for this, but I'm just going with what I'm working with. So this is the second step. This is pretty easy. I'm just raking my hair up with my fingers with a scrunchie, a regular size scrunchie, a ponytail holder, and I'm just going to wrap it around just once. But I would not, I mean, it just depends on how tight you want your hair to be. I don't like to have tension with my hair, so I'm just literally using my fingers as a pick. If you do have a pick, then that's fine, but I just don't want to mess up the curls. I want them to be defined. So again, I'm just going to wrap it around once and then fluff out the hair. Now, if your hair is shorter, then you probably will need to make it like volumized. So you can either tease the curls a little bit, or you can just stretch this part out a little bit more and then put the bobby pins there, or hair pins. So I don't, need to just, put it back too far, but this is just making a super loose ponytail. And that kitchen back there is a mess, but we're gonna get to that later. We're gonna get some edge control to control those edges. So I'm going to do the front the same way. I'm going to stretch it out in the front. And you don't have to. If you want your ponytail to be loose or your bun to be loose, you can do that. But I just wanted to secure it. And if you have a larger scrunchie, you could use that also. So I'm just fluffing the bun up to the size that I want it to be in. I guess if you do have shorter hair, you could use a sock or something up there. But this is a quicker way to do it. And I promise your hair will probably be so thick after taking your braids down that you really won't even need any extensions like that. So yeah, that's just basically it for the actual bun formation. Now the last part is just sleeking up your edges, and depending on if you already have fine hair, you might not need to, or you could just spray water. But I'm just using some ebin edge control, ebin New York edge control, and I'm going to sleek my edges up just so that they can be nice and smooth and moisturized. Okay, I don't want dry, brittle edges. And after this, all you need to do is, depending on your hair type, just use a scarf to just lay them down. If you're on your way out of the door, this edge control is really good. Like, it's really going to stay in place, so you don't have to, but I just want to at least touch up my kitchen and, slick the edges, look a little bit kept. And this is the last easy step. All you're doing is just tying them down for about 10 minutes. And honestly, if you're on your way to work or somewhere else, you can just use this in the car on your way to work or wherever you're going. And by the time that you get there, your edges will be intact. I did this all the time going to church. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you thumbs up this video, please, if you think that the style is cute, or if you're interested in trying it, or if you have tried this style. And check out my previous natural hairstyles and my hair company. And all the details will be in the description box. Bye guys!